Hello everyone, welcome to Rasayan Academy, all of you guys. So here I am on the CSR NDA Net website, and to all of your relief, the CSR Net June 2021 application form is out already. So yes, this is for the June 2021 examination, right? And what can you see over this website? You can see the link for the filling the registration form for joint CSIR UGC Net June 2021. All right. So what you have to do before just clicking on this link is, first of all, just visit the public notice, all right, which has come out today, 3rd of December 2021. So clicking on this link, you are going to open up this file over here and you will see what are the important dates. So the duration of online registration for joint CSIR UGC NET examination, June 2021 it is going to be 3rd December to 2nd of January. So this much time is given to all of you to fill up your forms. But since all of you have been waiting for this for so long, so that you must rush and just fill up the form as soon as possible. All right. All right, so what are the other dates which are provided? The last date for successful fee transaction is 3rd of January up to 11:50 p.m. So basically, this is the time given for you for filling up the form, and this is the last date for filling the fees for the form, right? So the date of examination is, there are three dates which are provided: 29th of January, 5th of February, and 6th of February 2022. All right. So within these three dates, one of your dates is going to be selected for the chemical sciences exam, and you will be informed about it very soon. Now you just have to fill up the form, and the dates of examination are provided. The shift timing is provided 9 a.m. to 12, 3 hours timing as always, and the shift 2 is 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. That is also 3 hours timing. Now everything is the same, guys. You're going to have the CBT based examination, computer based test. Along with that, paper pattern remains the same, objective type comprising multiple choice questions, and also the medium is the same, Hindi and English version, right? All right, so for those candidates who are interested in joining, in filling up the form and giving the examination, please visit their website csrnta.nic.in. And also, if you are having any trouble in filling up the form, you can also call NTA at the help desk or write at NTA mail over here, right? But I don't think you'll be facing any trouble because yes, it's a very simple process. Now, along with that, you will see on the website, now this is your website, just click on the information bulletin because you have to read this before moving onwards, right? So first thing that you're going to see is uh, all the important things, that is online registration, submission of application from through the website over here, 3 December to 2nd January. All right, everything's same. Yes, the fees is the same as well, INR 1000 as always, general category. And yes, this is for all the different categories over here. For PWD it is nil. So guys, please fill up the categories properly. Please don't do any mistakes in that, okay? Important dates once again: mode of examination, CBT. C. Another important date: correction in the particulars of application form online. So 5th January to 9th of January. Okay. So if you are having any trouble or if you have filled in any detail incorrectly, you will be given this time window from 5th of January to 9th of January so that you can do any correction. So you don't have to panic if you have done any mistake. Okay. So yes, moving onwards. Please fill up your credentials properly, right? Please fill up your details properly, your phone number, your email ID, because see, center, date and shift of the examination will be mentioned on the admit card, and it will also be informed to you through your email IDs as well. So please read the information bulletin once again properly, so that you can check out all of these important details about how the recent photograph has to be either in color black and or black and white, right, with 80% of your face visible and having a white background. All of these little things, please take care of these, otherwise the photo or any detail might be rejected. So please take care of all of these things before just directly filling up the form. Also, you have to download from the website, NTA website, your self declaration form as you did previously, that you're not COVID positive and you are self declaring that, right? So you have to fill in that form, and these are the things that you have to take care of, you'll be taking in your examination hall along with you. All right. So there is always some confusion about who can fill up the form, who can give the examination. So guys, please see this eligibility criteria. Who can give the exam? MSc or equivalent degree, integrated BSMS, BS 4 years, BE, BTech, B Pharma. All right. So even the B Pharma students and MBBS students with at least 55% without rounding off marks for general category, and all of these things you can see they can give the examination. So please don't be confused, just see the information bulletin once again. So BSc honors student, they are eligible for the integrated MS PhD program through GRF, through clearing GRF examination. And obviously there is no age. Let's also see the age limit, because lecturership ke liye there is no age, upper age limit over here, but for the JRF, as you can see, maximum 28 years as on this date. So what is this date? It is 2020 date basically. So you are not supposed to be 28 as of now. It will not be counted from now, it will be counted from when you were uh, on this age, on this date basically, that is your 1st of June 2020, upper age limit. So this is going to be your age relaxation over here. And also guys, as always, uh, for the SC/ST category, for PWTs, for female applicants and so on, the JRF date is also relaxed to 5 years. This was usual, right? This was there before also. And 3 years in the case of OBC, non-creamy layer applicants, right? So it was there, but there's a new change over here, that is your 28 years. You have to be 28 years on 2020, not 2021. So there is some age relaxation, as you can see, right? And now you can just fill up the form, guys. Also, now you can further read the information bulletin if you want more details about the paper analysis and stuff like that. See chemical sciences, how you are going to get the paper, right? So part A, part B, and part C, how the question pattern is, it is the same. Everything is the same, right? Yeah. So basically, yes, everything is almost same, just that you are getting 3 dates for your examination. And yeah, you can go through these things. All right, guys. So this is what I found important in all of the information bulletin. And for now, you can just read it a little bit and start filling up the form. Just keep everything handy, your details and your photographs, everything. Just take care of how it is mentioned in your information bulletin, and then only fill up the form. So now I would request all of you to not panic, because the date is out. See, you were already panicking because the forms were now not out, and now when the forms are out, you need not panic, and you just need to focus on what you were doing, right? So just keep working hard and start your revision, start your practice. I'm already uploading a lot of practice videos, so go through them. And yes, happy preparation right now. Chalo, I'll see you very, very soon in another practice video. Bye everyone. Take care of yourselves.